Look at this, you guys. We are in Walmart, and today it's hangers, hangers, and more hangers. This is the Mainstays 18-pack plastic hangers, and you see it's one color. And let me show you. Can you give me one? All right, so can you hold it? This is what it looks like right here. So again, you get the 18-pack plastic hangers. This is Mainstays. And here's the UPC. All right, so again, you guys need to look out for the Mainstays. And look at this, you guys. They are only 50 cents. All right, look at this, you guys. I found Better Homes and Gardens, and I think this is just a room spray. I actually sprayed it, and it smells really good. You guys can see the normal price is $4.97, but it does say 3. You guys always have to scan. This one is 3.38 fluid ounces, and here's the UPC. And if you guys can believe, this is only scanning up 75 cents. 75 cents, you guys. So I actually got 2 of these, and they really smell good. So if you guys see these in Walmart, make sure you guys scan, because it might be 75 cents. I was about to say 75% on 75 cents in your area. All right, you guys, up next, this is the Better Homes and Gardens, and this is 100% pure oil. And you guys can see this is 0.5 fluid ounces. And this is the sweet orange. You guys got to look out for this one. Here's the UPC right here. And again, this is for the sweet orange oil. Again, Better Homes and Gardens. And again, sweet orange. And these are only ringing up 75 cents, you guys. 75 cents. I think on the package, it does say, Manny, can you give me one of yours? Give me that one. All right, so here's another one, you guys. I want to show you. Look at this. So it does say $3 on here, but when we scanned it, it's only coming up 75 cents. 75 cents. All right, here's another one. Again, Better Homes and Gardens. And this is the second oil that I found. This is the sweet orange and cassia. I think that's how you pronounce it. Is it cassia right here? Okay, Manny says sure, so I think I got it right. I've never smelt this one before, but for the price, I'm gonna take a chance. Here's the UPC, and again, this is the 100% oil. And you guys can see the price on the box says $3, but it's only, you guys ready? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. 75 cents, you guys. 75 cents. So I have quite a few. These are all 75 cents, you guys. You guys have to run to Walmart. Only on Angel on the Go. I only found 2 cents. I found the sweet orange at 75%. Oh, 75%. 75 cents. And I found this one also for 75 cents. And don't forget about the Better Homes and Gardens spray for your room. These are also 75 cents. Good luck. All right, we're finding deals, but I want to point this out. Look at Manny's shirt. Oh, look at that. Manny's a hustler. You're an Amazon hustler.
Weird.
All right, you guys, back to the deals. All right, you guys, we are still in Walmart, and look what I found. I found the Batman. It looks like it's DC 3-in-1 Batcave. All right, again, this is the 3-in-1 Batcave, and it looks like it has 3 missions. I have no clue what this is. It says 2-sided play, and it says 4+. There's the Batman figure right here, and I guess it comes with this. Again, it's. Oh, does he? Okay, Manny says he has different suits. So here's a gold one. Look like this is a prison or a jail. I don't know. And look like he might go in the Batcave with that. I'm just making it up. All right, so here's a better look at it. All right, so this says Protect Gotham City. And it comes with this whole thing. So this is a nice set, you guys. Let me show you the UPC. All right. Where is this UPC? All right, you guys, here's the UPC. So go ahead and take a screenshot. And look at this. Can you push it back? All right, Manny's gonna put it back up. All right, you guys, this is why you guys have to scan. Look at this. You guys can see the price here of $37.76. This is why you guys have to scan. This is a big, huge box. Again, it comes with the whole Batman cave looking thing. It comes with the figure. Again, you guys can see the $37.76, but it is only $18, you guys. $18. This is why it's so important to scan, scan, scan. Let us know if you find this one. 18 bucks. All right, this is one of Manny's finds. This is the fix. What's the name of this thing? I think it's like a makeover. Okay, we're just gonna call this hashtag fail, hashtag fix. Here's the name right here. And it says brush and style, magic. Oh, she comes with a mask? You can put a mask on her face. And it says surprise fashion. All right, look how cute she is. All right, this is what she looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around. All right, so here's what the back looks like. And I don't know her name. It doesn't say it on here. But I guess you could style her. Again, here's the mask. So it has a magic mask. You could do a high ponytail. And I guess you kind of guess what outfit. I'm gonna show you guys the UPC. There you guys go. And look at this. Boom. I know you guys see it. Boom, boom, and boom. We found 3 of them. It went from $18.84 all the way down to $5. You cannot beat this. You guys, we're gonna go ahead and grab all 3. So basically, if we pay $5 for all 3, that's only $15. That's not even the price of one at regular price. Again, it went from $18.84 down to $5. This is a great deal. Especially, I mean, we can actually sell this around the holidays. So if we gotta hold on to it until the holiday season.
That's gonna go before the holidays.
You think so? You think it's gonna go before?
Absolutely.
I think so too. Okay, so if you guys are in Walmart and you see this doll, again, sorry, I don't have her name. It just says fail and fix. Let me show the UPC one more time. And if you guys see this doll, scan, 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 because it might be $5 in your area.
Thank you.